is Sona, and today we're going to be filming another Big Bear van, custom van. If you're cleaning or just don't like your shoes outside, and if there's raccoons, what could play with them and then take them away, you will put them into here. Then let's come outside. This slide out table. First there was a storage room. You could store it and then you could take them out, or if you don't have anything, you still have to get this out. Then turn the way it's opened and then falls open. You have to have this open because if it won't, it will fall back. Wait, now let's go to the seats. This van is for 5 people. So there's 5 seats. If you're asking how, if there's 2 seats here, and you think so there's 2 seats here, but there actually a third one in the middle. That way you could add 2 kids here, 1 kid here. These 2 are for the grown-ups. Or maybe if you have 2 kids and 4 kids and 1 grown-up, you put a kid right here. Look, I love this. Personally, I love this. They're like so shiny, and I love shiny. And they're like crystals, and I love crystals. They poke out, they feel very good. And then I'd like the down, it's so smooth, it's nice, and it's pretty. Right now we're gonna be making the bed. So first you have to get this off. Get the table off, first step. And then second step is the stick. Oh, that's scary for a little kid. It's not. First you have to get everything off. And then take this off. It's too small. Then you pick this up. Then you get this. Be careful, it could jam your fingers. Make sure your kids are safe. Careful. And then parents helped me. We have to get this up. Now you put this down. These pillows are very pretty, very soft. We will give you pillows. I want to open this mosquito net. That way the mosquitoes or bugs don't come in. Reading buddies, or people would like to read. So if it's way too hot, turn it on to cool level. Now there's lots of storage. You open up this one, and then you could put anything there. Open up this one,